Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, on the day of weekly expiry of index options, we saw a good amount of profit taking in the market. The market failed to sustain above the mark of 22,000 and it closed all the way below the levels of 21,700. So while looking at the entire pattern of the market, we are of the view that the market is finding resistance at higher levels and support at lower levels. So it is like range bound, but it is range bound within a broader trading range. Currently, GIFT Nifty is down nearly 50 points. US markets closed or recovered from day's low. However, global macros are still not in favor. In fact, crude, which was around $78-$79, is now at $81.5 per barrel, which is slightly again concerning factor for the market. However, the way we saw sell-off in the market from the highs, now 21,650, 21,600 going to act as major support for the market. As we are following the strategy of buy on dips and sell on rise, today's strategy should be to look for adding some positions with a contra view close to 21,650 with a stop loss at 21,500. Again, on the higher side, 21,900 going to act as major barrier for the market. So close to those levels, we need to take profit on long positions. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw good amount of selling, and it was mainly because of weakness in the private banks. We were of the view that 45,500 should act as major support for the Bank Nifty, but it completely failed to survive above the same after the announcement of the credit policy, which was little bit hawkish. So while looking at the entire setup of the Bank Nifty, it is again heading for the levels of 44,500, 600, which was its previous lowest level. However, close to those levels, we should look for taking some contra bets if there is any reversal formation. So for Nifty, we are taking contra bet of buying close to 21,650 levels. But for Bank Nifty, we need to see that whether it is forming some reversal formation or not, and based on that only we can take positions. On the higher side, again 45,000 and 45,600 will be resistance for it.